Hi, I'm Eddie, and I suffer from hair loss. I went to another doctor for a different treatment. After that, I realized that my hair started to get very oily. Then I dropped a lot of hair during shower. Even when I wake up, there are a lot of hair on my pillow. Then after that, I went to a barber, my regular barber, and my regular barber started telling me, saying that I got receding hairline, and I was very surprised. Nobody likes to lose their hair. Previously, I was going for like $70 haircut, but after I lost my hair, I don't really need to go so expensive one. I'm just going like $7 because no point for me to go so expensive haircut. And I bought hair pomade, hair gel, hair wax, like $20 per can, but I can't really use any of it after I lost my hair. Even I go to barber and they can't really cut any of the hairstyle that I like. Initially, I went to TCM and I spent like weekly $80 with those awful medicine, and I had acupuncture like 60 jab on my hair per week, but it doesn't really help. After that, I went for some scrub treatment, which is quite popular among those aunties, and I went. Initially, I saw some effect, but after that, hair started to fall again because it's not strong. And after that, I did some home recipe. Example, preserved onion with vinegar, garlic. I went to blend it and the smell was very, very bad. And I even did like semen. You just have to put some honey over it and some salt. They say that salt can detox, but nothing helps. So I went to a hair doctor, and the hair doctor actually really helped me. I was prescribed with some pills, 4 big pills I have to swallow, and I did the Regenerate Activa. For the first 2 months, the hair dropped a bit, but after that I saw a lot of baby hair growing, and I was very, very surprised. Even my friends saw me, they were so amazed with my hair. Initially, I was quite ashamed of my hair loss, but after that, slowly I realized that it's a medical condition. Everybody has some medical condition that they need to seek treatment for. There is always help everywhere. You just have to know where to go and who to look for. My advice to all is to go to a trusted clinic, get a medical advice from a certified doctor. Hi, I'm Eddie, and I take a stand against hair loss.